Ferrari just did something that nobody expected. They killed the turbocharged engine and brought back the most pure, most emotional, most insane, naturally aspirated V12 in history. The 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. And after this video, you will understand why this is the most important Ferrari built in the last 20 years. Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. I'm your host, and today we are covering the car that every Ferrari fan on the planet has been waiting for. Pure V12. No turbo, no hybrid, just 12 cylinders screaming to 9,000 RPM. Let's go. That front end is pure aggression wrapped in elegance. The hood is long, dramatically long, because a naturally aspirated V12 engine takes up real space. That hood length communicates power before you even see the engine. The headlights are razor thin, a single horizontal LED slash across each corner, simple, sharp, unmistakable. Below them, an open front splitter with active aerodynamic elements that adjust at speed. That yellow prancing horse badge on the nose, the most recognized automotive logo in the world. On this car, in this color, in this location, it gives you genuine chills. The front of the 12 Cilindri does not shout, it whispers, and somehow that is more intimidating than anything that shouts. The side profile is where the 12 Cilindri becomes genuinely breathtaking. That fastback roofline flows from the A-pillar all the way to the tail without a single interruption. Every panel is sculpted, never flat, never simple. Each surface catches light differently as you walk around the car. Flying buttresses connect the roofline to the rear haunches, a Ferrari design signature that goes back to the 1960s. They are functional, managing airflow over the rear, but they are also the most beautiful structural element in modern automotive design. Those 20-inch dark wheels with yellow brake calipers are the perfect contrast to the Rosso Magma paint, yellow calipers on red Ferrari. It should be obvious, but it is absolutely perfect. In Miami light, with the ocean visible through the glass behind it, this side profile is genuinely the most beautiful thing on four wheels. Turn to the rear and you find the most dramatic angle of the whole car. Full-width LED taillights stretch across the entire rear. Thin, elegant, futuristic. The Ferrari badge sits centered above the exhaust. Below, 4 exhaust pipes emerge from a carbon fiber diffuser. Those 4 pipes are not for show. They are the exit point for a 6.5-liter V12 that produces one of the greatest sounds in automotive history. At idle, this car grumbles. At 4,000 RPM, it sings. At 9,000 RPM, it screams in a way that makes grown men emotional. The rear spoiler deploys automatically at speed, invisible when parked, functional when needed. Ferrari engineering. Nothing unnecessary, nothing missing. Open the door and you sit into something that feels genuinely special. That tan leather against the dark carbon fiber is a combination Ferrari has perfected over decades. Quilted leather seats that look museum quality but hold you perfectly through corners. That steering wheel, tan leather, yellow Ferrari badge, red Manatino dial. This wheel is the most important control interface in any car Ferrari makes. The Manatino switches between wet, sport, race, and ESC off modes. Each one completely transforms how this car behaves. The dashboard is clean, a 10-inch central screen for infotainment, a separate passenger display, and analog dials for the driver. Ferrari kept it pure. No unnecessary screens, no confusion, just driving. The technology in the 12 Cilindri is Ferrari at their most sophisticated. Active aerodynamics manage downforce at every speed. The front splitter, the rear spoiler, and underbody elements all work together as one system. At 200 kilometers per hour, this car generates enough downforce to drive upside down on a ceiling. The magneto-rheological suspension reads the road and adjusts in milliseconds. Softer than a luxury sedan when you want it. Stiffer than a race car when you need it. One button. Instant transformation. Ferrari's side-slip control system monitors your steering angle, throttle position, and speed, then manages the rear wheel torque to keep the car perfectly balanced. This car is faster than almost anything else on the road, and it makes you feel like a racing driver while doing it. Now the reason this car exists: the engine, the 12 cylinders. 6.5 liters, naturally aspirated, 830 horsepower, 9,000 RPM redline. Let those numbers sit for a moment. 830 horsepower from an engine with no turbocharger and no electric assistance. Pure mechanical engineering taken to its absolute limit. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.9 seconds. 0 to 200 in 7.9 seconds. Top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. But the numbers are not the point. The point is the sound. At idle, 12 cylinders fire in perfect sequence, creating a deep, authoritative rumble. Press the throttle at 3,000 RPM. The sound becomes a howl. Push it to 6,000. It becomes a scream that triggers something primal in your brain. Hit 9,000 RPM, and there is nothing else in the world. Just that sound, just that feeling. No turbocharger means no lag. No hybrid system means no artificial intervention. When you press the throttle, the engine responds immediately, linearly, perfectly. This is what driving used to feel like. This is what Ferrari decided driving should still feel like. Where does the 12 Cilindri stand against the competition? Lamborghini Revuelto. Hybrid V12, more power on paper, more dramatic styling. But the Revuelto is complicated, heavy hybrid system, electric motors, turbo lag at low RPM. The 12 Cilindri is purer, lighter, more focused. Aston Martin DB12. Beautiful, refined, genuinely excellent grand tourer. But the DB12 has a twin turbo V8, not a naturally aspirated V12. The emotional connection is simply not the same. McLaren's 750S, faster on a track, more technical, more extreme. But the McLaren has no soul outside of a racetrack. The 12 Cilindri is equally at home on a Sunday drive through Miami or attacking a mountain road. Porsche 911 Turbo S, the ultimate benchmark for usable performance. But a Porsche cannot make you emotional the way this Ferrari can. And emotional is exactly what the 12 Cilindri was designed to make you feel. The 12 Cilindri wins because it does something none of these cars can. It connects you to the history of Ferrari in a way that a turbocharged or hybridized car never can. If the Ferrari 12 Cilindri just gave you goosebumps through a screen, subscribe to Launch Rev USA right now. We cover cars like this every single day, and tomorrow we have something equally insane ready for you. Final verdict on the 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. This is the car for people who understand that the best things in life cannot be measured on a spec sheet. Who know that 800 horsepower from a naturally aspirated V12 is worth more than 1,000 horsepower from a turbocharged engine because of how it feels, how it sounds, how it makes you feel alive. Rosso Magma Red, Miami Ocean backdrop, tan leather interior, yellow calipers, 9,000 RPM redline. The automotive world is going electric. Hybrid systems are everywhere. Turbochargers have replaced displacement in almost every performance car. Ferrari looked at all of that and said, Not yet. Not this one. The 2026 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is Ferrari's declaration that pure driving emotion is worth preserving, worth celebrating, worth building a whole car around. This is not just a Ferrari. This is a statement about what cars should be. This is Launch Rev USA, bringing you the most emotional, most insane cars on the planet every single day. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.